You see, when I go to vote, I don't just vote, so. A man come for my vote, he have to cross certain hurdles, like a hurdles in the Olympics. The first hurdle he have to cross is that he have to say what I want to hear. But mouth make me say anything. So the second hurdle he have to cross is if I believe what he's saying. If he have the ability and if he's truthful in what he's saying. And so my mother said, take sleep, mark debt. But then now I'm going to learn to take debt, mark debt. So the JLP come and them and say all kind of things. They said that we were going to grow 6%. How is that working out for you? They said you were going to get 18,000, no taxation. How is that working out for you? They said that you would be able to sleep with your doors open and your windows open. How is that working out for you? Hold on. They said they wouldn't go into NHT for anything other than building houses. How is that working out for you? They said that they would double minimum wage. How is that working out for you? So we now tell you to take sleep, mark debt. I'm telling you if you take debt, mark debt.